insane. Oh, lekker! Ow! Hi guys, today we're gonna clean my home, but it's just like a little bit light cleaning. Like I'm doing groceries tomorrow, so I need to clean the fridge, and I'm just gonna do the living room a quick vacuum. So it's nothing special, but it needs to happen, especially the fridge, because something happened and we needed to put a plug and then like plug it in again, of course, but now there's just ice accumulating at the back. So that's annoying. Just need to clean the ice and get it. If you're like, girl, what are you wearing? Good, this is so like nice and soft. But I did back day this morning, so I'm still wearing this outfit because I was like, I'm gonna clean anyway, so might as well shower after. So yeah, we did back and bi and a bit of shoulder. It was a good workout. I'm already feeling a bit of muscle pain, and also from yesterday, leg day was insane. I'm doing, this is nothing to do with the video, but anyway, I'm doing a new leg day, and ow, that's all I'm gonna say on it, ow. But yeah, we need to check out the fridge because she's a mess. Wait, okay, I can show you this way. I don't know if you can see behind that almond milk that nobody uses. There's ice. I don't think you can see. Oh my god, my battery's dead. Anyway, this is my salmon for the night. It's a miso salmon. Yum yum yum. I'm not actually a fish eater, but that's really good. So yes. Good morning. I'm putting on my shoes. I called my grandma and she was confused because she has this like day activities. Oh, Christmas. And I called her and I was like, do you want to go grocery shopping? She was like, no, I cannot go. And yeah, she was like, I don't know. So I was like, okay, don't need. She called me back like 30 minutes later and she was like, okay, let's go. And then I just don't go today, but it's early. It's not even 10 yet. So I was like, you can go after we're back. And she was like, I'll see. I don't know. Like, it's just, she's a lot nowadays. Like, girl, come on. She was like, I cannot go with you because I need to be there. Girl, you don't need to be anywhere. You just need to go if you want to go. But we haven't been in a long time, so yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna get groceries with her.
Your food pouch. Soep. Get soup in a pan. Get je buikje. Oh, lekker! Lekker uitruiken. Bij jou is de ingang waar mensen niet naar jou. Oké. Oh,
Nee, wat doe jij?
wordt hij zo dik?
Ja, je moet in de pan opwarmen, neef.
Oh, ik wil kijken hoeveel we wouden, maar dan krijg ik dit wel op met z'n tweeën.
Big bag, big bag.
What was that?
Dit is mijn baby.
Jij weet ook dat ik meer verdien.
Hallo, hallo, baby.